For 30 years, the Hubble Space Telescope stared at Neptune. And for 30 years, it missed three things hiding in plain sight. Rings that vanished from view, a glowing band at the South Pole that appeared out of nowhere, and clumps of ice locked in impossible orbits. Then the James Webb Space Telescope looked at Neptune in infrared light, and everything changed. Since 1989, our understanding of Neptune has come from two sources. Voyager 2's flyby gave us our first close look at this ice giant, 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun. Then Hubble took over, tracking Neptune's deep blue atmosphere, massive storms like the Great Dark Spot, and its turbulent weather. For 3 decades, this was Neptune, a beautiful blue sphere with occasional cloud features, distant, cold, seemingly simple. But Hubble was only seeing half the story. Look at this. JWST captured Neptune's ring system in the clearest detail since Voyager 2 over 30 years ago. Bright, narrow rings, fainter dust bands, even the outermost Adam's ring with its strange clumps of material, ring arcs that Hubble could barely detect. For 3 decades, Hubble looked directly at Neptune and saw almost nothing. Not because Hubble failed, but because it was looking in the wrong kind of light. Neptune's rings are made of ice and rock. In visible light, they're dark and faint. But in infrared, they shine brilliantly against Neptune's darkened face. It's like turning on a black light in a dark room. Suddenly things you couldn't see before light up. This is extraordinary. We've been observing Neptune for 30 years, and we missed an entire ring system. But the rings aren't the strangest thing JWST found. Look at Neptune's south pole. There's a bright infrared band circling the entire polar region, a continuous glowing ring of high-altitude clouds that didn't exist in previous observations. This is new. Recent atmospheric changes we can't fully explain yet. Think of Neptune's atmosphere like a layered cake. Most of it is deep and cold, filled with methane gas that absorbs infrared light, making the planet appear dark in JWST's images. But at the South Pole, something is pushing methane ice clouds high above the main atmosphere. So high they escape the methane absorption and glow brightly in infrared. What's causing this? A polar vortex? Temperature changes? We don't know yet. But it's happening right now. And JWST is watching it evolve. Now here's where it gets really strange. Neptune's outermost ring, the Adam's ring, isn't uniform. Instead of a smooth circle, it has 5 distinct clumps of material called ring arcs. Fraternité, égalité, liberté, courage. And they've been sitting in the exact same positions for decades. This shouldn't be possible. Imagine throwing a handful of sand into orbit around a planet. Within months, it would spread out into a smooth ring. That's basic orbital mechanics. But Neptune's ring arcs don't spread. They stay clumped together, locked in place by the gravitational pull of a small moon called Galatea. It's like Galatea is a cosmic shepherd, herding these clumps of ice and rock into stable positions through gravitational resonance. But the exact mechanism, how this works in such precise detail, is still not fully understood. We've been studying these arcs since Voyager 2 discovered them in 1989, and we still don't know why they're so stable. So why did JWST see all of this when Hubble couldn't? It comes down to methane. Neptune's atmosphere is loaded with it. In visible light, methane reflects blue wavelengths and absorbs red ones. That's why Neptune looks blue to Hubble. But methane strongly absorbs most infrared wavelengths, making Neptune's atmosphere appear almost black in JWST's view. The rings, the South Pole clouds, the high-altitude features, they don't contain methane. So in infrared, they stand out against the darkened planet like stars against the night sky. By choosing specific infrared wavelengths, JWST can peer through atmospheric layers Hubble can't penetrate. It's not that Hubble was wrong. It's that infrared light reveals a completely different Neptune. And this is just the beginning. Uranus is next on JWST's list. If Neptune was hiding this much, imagine what we'll find there. Sometimes the most profound discoveries come from looking at familiar things in a new light. 3 mysteries, 30 years, 1 telescope. If you want to see what else JWST is revealing, subscribe and turn on notifications, because the universe is full of secrets and we're just getting started.